In 2014, the masses came together in a viral sensation. From Oprah and Justin Bieber to everyday people, all enduring buckets of ice-cold water enthusiastically in hopes of bringing awareness to ALS. The initiative spurred millions of dollars in donations to help fight the debilitating disease. And now a tangible result. The FDA approving Relivrio, a new ALS drug by Amylyx Pharmaceuticals, making it one of just a handful available to fight the devastating illness that slowly takes away muscle function.
If a community comes together, they pool their resources, we together can do great things, and we can solve some of the hardest problems that we have.
The ALS Association president telling NBC News the money from the Ice Bucket Challenge partially funding the drug's development. Oh my goodness. 6 months after Sunny Browse did the challenge, she was diagnosed with ALS at just 27 years old.
Sitting in the room, being told that my entire life was going to be different than anything I had ever imagined.
7 years later, she's in a motorized chair.
I thought I would be married, chasing babies, working on my career, and now I'm storing up energy to be able to go to a nighttime event.
There's no cure for ALS, making every second count.
I try to stay as self-aware as possible to make the most out of whatever exertion I am able to give.
Relivrio's approval comes after the FDA Advisory Committee narrowly voted against recommending it in March, questioning its effectiveness following its phase 2 trial. But now, in what experts describe as an unusual move, the FDA approving it after Amylyx submitted more analysis of its data. The FDA saying in its memorandum there were no differences in fatal or serious adverse events between the drug and placebo, but the turnaround raising questions.
What makes the approval of this drug so unique?
The controversy is that we hope that this drug works. We have some promising evidence, but we are not sure that this drug works.
The FDA acknowledging in its memorandum the study's limitations and uncertainty about effectiveness, but saying the life-threatening nature of ALS and the substantial unmet need influenced its decision.
If FDA's job is to force companies to prove that their products work, that standard is getting lower and lower and lower, and companies are unlikely to produce more evidence than FDA requires.
But for Sunny, any news is good news in the fight against ALS.
I am so passionate about this approval and any others that are in the pipeline because now it's bigger than me.
All right, Niala joins us now live from Los Angeles. You know, Niala, you feel so much for all of those people with ALS. But I guess the question tonight is, if the medical community is not sure if the drug works, will doctors encourage patients to take it?
That's a huge question, Tom, and really only time will tell here. The FDA is trying to quell any concerns, telling us that it followed the science and that substantial evidence of effectiveness was provided in the approval. The ALS Association supports the approval as well, so that's also a strong signal to doctors. However, the scientific process isn't finished yet. There's an ongoing phase 3 trial right now, and depending on those results, Amylyx can voluntarily take the drugs off the market, or the FDA could withdraw its approval, and the latter could take years. Tom?
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.